So today we're going to talk about co-washing the beard, how to make your beard really soft by co-washing it. And co-washing just means conditioner washing the beard. So yeah, let's talk about that. So what is co-washing? Co-washing the beard is real simple. It just means you wash the beard with water and a conditioner of sorts. It could be a specific beard conditioner, or it may even be a hair conditioner. Not one of those cheap, nasty sort of, you know, like a Tresemme hair conditioner that kind of, I mean, actually, that might even do the job. I'm not going to even talk about that too much here. But using some sort of conditioner in your beard, the whole premise around this is that when you wash your beard using a soap or a beard wash, something like that, it actually strips a lot of the natural oils, no matter what kind of beard wash you use. I mean, this is the same even if it's an all-natural product. It still does it. All natural products will still strip away. That's the whole point of having a wash. It strips away grime, grease, dirt, stuff like that. So conditioner is there to soften the beard, soften your hair, make it very easy to, you know, work through, makes the beard soft, feel nice, smell nice as well. So there are some of the good things you can do when you co-wash the beard. Guys, I know we're talking about co-washing the beard, how to get your beard soft in this video today, but there's one other thing you could do apart from watching this video that would really help me, and that's leaving a comment, subscribing, liking. Mainly subscribe, definitely subscribe, turn on notifications, and let me know if you co-wash your beard in the comments below. I'll definitely get back to you. I get back to every single comment, sometimes a little bit late, but I'll get there. Anyway, let's get back to the video. So what can you use to co-wash your beard? And funny enough, I don't actually use a beard specific product to co-wash my beard. I've actually never tried a specific beard conditioner. I know, it's kind of crazy. I've used a lot of products. I've never used a beard conditioner. But what I'm currently using is a product from Lush. It's called R&B. I think it stands for Restore and Balance. So Restore and Balance R&B. And it's a hair conditioner. It's mostly natural. Obviously not all of Lush's products are 100% natural, but it's fairly good. And it's meant to be like a leave-in hair conditioner for your head hair. One of you guys actually recommended it to me a little while ago. If it was you, comment again to say that you recommended it, because I'd have to go back through the comments quite far back to find that. But one of you recommended it. I picked it up maybe like a month ago, and I've been using it maybe once, twice a week, and it's really good stuff. Now, the way you're meant to use it is you're meant to leave it in on your hair after you've washed it. Once you've slightly dried it as well, then you put some in and leave it in there all day. I don't do that. What I do is I wash the beard in the shower, and then I apply some of the hair conditioner, work it through, and then I just let it sit there for a few minutes. I carry on washing, and then I rinse it through. So I don't want it sitting on my face. It's a really strong smell. I'm not the biggest fan of the smell, and if you leave it in the beard, it really sits in there and you can smell it all day. But the effect is pretty good. It leaves the beard feeling nice and soft, easy to work with. Like, I've got it in today, and I've just got some homemade beard butter in, so it's doing a really good job for me. And I'm actually just going to do a bit of an experiment soon and just kind of co-wash it for 7 days using that product and see what happens. So with regards to co-washing the beard, that really is it. It's that simple, it's that easy to use. And I definitely recommend you guys checking it out. Like, if you don't want to use soaps every day because they strip the beard of like that good feeling, that fullness, that richness of nutrients and oils, then yeah, give co-washing a go. Hey dog, what you doing? No. I think she was getting lonely. That's it guys, I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.